In this video lesson, I will show you what is a win rate calculator. The link to get the win rate calculator you will have below in the description below this video, so you can also check and also test this win rate calculator. I will also show you several examples so you can see what is a win rate and also how it does it affect in your trading results. So let's start. First of all, just a minute. First of all, a win rate calculator in Forex trading is a calculator that gives you the winning percentage output of your trades. And that means you get a value that tells you how much of winning trades you had compared to all trades you have open. So this means it always calculates outcome for the winning trades, and that is why it is called win rate. So what is a trading and a win rate? Well, when you have the outcome calculated in percentage, you get a win rate in trading. That means that trading with win rate represents the overall outcome of positive trades compared to all trades you open. So if the win rate is greater than 50%, that will mean you have more positive trades than losing trades, which is great. So if the win rate is lower than 50%, it will mean that you have more losing trades than positive, and that is something that you should avoid. So at least you have a 50% of percentage of winning rate. So how to calculate this one? A win rate takes two variables. The first one is number of positive trades and number of losing trades. Inside the calculator you will see how this is done. Then you calculate how much of total trades you have took. So you need to add number of positive trades with losing trades. After that, when you have a total number of trades, you divide the number of positive trades with the number of total trades and multiply that value with 100%. So this means you get a win rate in percentage. So here is an example for you how to calculate a win rate. So first of all, you need to have a number of trades you have open. That means number of positive and number of losing trades. With these three values, you need to enter them into the win rate formula, which is here visible. So positive trades divided with total trades multiplied with 100%. So in this case, I will have an example of total number of trades is equal to 10. So out of those 10 trades, there are 5 positive trades and 5 negative trades. So when you put all these values here inside the formula, you get that the number of positive trades divided with total trades, which is 5 divided with 10, equals to 0.5. And then to get that in percentage, you multiply that with 100%. So you get a 50% percentage because you have the same number of positive trades and also the same number of negative trades. So does the win rate matter in trading? It matters because if you have more positive trades, you will have more money. Because majority of the trades are negative, then it means you are losing money, which is very bad. Well, when I say that you would make more money, there is something you need to pay attention to, and that is a risk-to-reward ratio. If you have the same risk-to-reward ratio, 1 against 3, and you have 50% win rate, that will mean you are profitable. Now let me show you what that means. In this example, I will put the 10 trades where I have 5 positive and 5 negative. So the percentage of the win rate is equal to 50%. Now let's check a risk-to-reward ratio 1 against 3, which means if you make $3 per one trade, you lose $1 per trade, because that is the risk-reward, where it says that if you are risking $1 per trade, and in the next one you should make a $3. So when we have a 5 positive trades and 5 negative trades, we would get that positive trades would give us $15. Because 5 positive trades multiplied with $3 equals to 15, and 5 negative trades would give us a $5. So when you get the difference between the positive trades and negative trades, you get $10. That means that with 50% win rate, you make $10. Now you can see how the risk-to-reward ratio affects on your trading results if you have a 50% win rate. Now here I will use a 50% win rate, and the risk to reward ratio will be 1 against 1. This means for any positive trade you will make $1, and for each negative trade you will lose $1. So if you have 10 trades total and you have 5 positive and 5 negative trades, that will mean that you have a 50% win rate. Now, when you check the amount of money you would make and also lose on these 5 positive and 5 negative trades, that will mean that you would make a $0. That means you would be a break even, which is okay, but it is better to be break even than being in negative. That means having more negative trades. Now let's see what happens if you have a 60% win rate. Now let's take an example where we have a 10 total trades, where we have 4 positive and 4 negative. That means if you take the positive trades and divide that with total trades, you would get 60%. So total amount of money earned is, if you multiply 6 positive trades multiplied with $1, you would get $6. And you have 4 negative trades multiplied with $1, that would give you a $4 of loss. So when you check the difference between $6 of positive and $4 of negative, you would get $2 as a result. So this means that with a 60% win rate, you make $2. Now let's see an example if we increase this to 70% of win rate. So 10 total trades where we have 7 positive and 3 negative. The win rate is 7 positive divided with 10 total trades would give us 70%. The total amount of money earned is $7 minus $3 equals to $4. So with 70% win rate, you would make $4, which is very good. So here it is a table that compares all these 3 examples where we have a win rate 50%, 60% and 70%, and the risk to reward ratio is 1 against 1. So for $1 in profit, you also have $1 in loss. So you can see that the profit is increasing with the win rate is increasing. So if you have a larger win rate, you would make more money. But before that, I have shown you how the example where we have risk reward a bigger 1 against 3 would give you with a 50% win rate very good profit. So you can see how the win rate and the risk reward are connected. Okay, so this is an example. Let me show you now. Here on this page, where I have put the link below in the description, you will have a win rate calculator at the top. You can see that you have 2 fields, where the first field is number of wins and the second field is number of losses. So when you click calculate, you will get a message, please enter valid numbers for wins and losses. So let's put, for example, in our case, we had 5 wins and 5 losses. So when I click calculate, I will get a win rate 50%. And when I change this, for example, to 7 positive trades and, for example, 3 negative trades, which is a total 10 trades, I would get 70% of win rate. This way, you can also check on your side and put here any number you would like. So, for example, if I put 12 and, for example, 5, you would get here 70.59% is a win rate. So this is a very good win rate calculator that helps you to define what is a win percentage of trades that you have open. But have in mind that also a risk reward ratio is affecting the results you will have. But for this one, the win rate helps you to define what is the percentage of your profitable trades compared to total number of trades. If you have any questions regarding this win rate calculator, please leave a comment. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!